Oh, look at that. Oh, the hail's getting bigger. Oh, look at those things. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna stay here. Wow. Okay, this is the best you're gonna get. I don't think I'm at the exact summit. I'm at... We're gonna try the Gladstone Trail. We were thinking Big White, but there is a lot of smoke out. There's no point in going to a really nice view if it's just gonna be soaked in the smoke and gross. You also don't want to be out in it for too long, so this one's supposed to be short, about 4 kilometers roughly, and about 300 meter elevation gain, I think. It is called the Gladstone Trail. I guess we're glad you're stoned. So, start here, work our way up, and do a loop. Alright, well, there's sightings Sunday, September 3rd, 2022, which is funny because today is Saturday, and it's the 3rd. Okay, well, let's do it to it. We're not yet at a kilometer up the trail. There was a split. Not sure which side to take. So we went left. I get the feeling it doesn't matter because we're kind of skirting here. But we're now on the other side of a fence. So who knows? There's the other trail option right there. We're at another divider. There's spray paint on that trail, but there's a yellow arrow here. So I think I'm going to take the yellow arrow. Oh, we got a bear. Yeah. Black bear. Black bear on the other side, yeah. You can see him. Do you see him looking at us right there? Yeah, I don't know if you can see him on this lens. He's that little black dot crawling across a lane there. He's completely on the other side of the canyon, so we're not a threat to him, and he's not much of a threat to us. But still good to kind of keep a bit of an eye on him. There he is.
5 minutes head start.
So I guess it's good we decided to be on this side of the canyon. They're just bearing it all out here. And we haven't even hit our first kilometer yet. A bit of a steeper climb in this section. A little bit of a view over there, but all smokied in. There's Scat. Look at this crazy old log. I think he's liking it. Ooh, there's a bit of a view. And hooray, trail markers. Wonder what that means. Hey, wasp, take off. I'm gonna stop at that rock, have a bit of a rest break, make sure everybody catches up, and we'll go from there. Alright, let's do it to it. Catch you out there. And according to the map, we should be getting pretty close. It's a 4 kilometer, under 4 kilometer run with a big loop at the end. What could this mean? What could this mean? Oh, there they are. We are about to be treated to a view. I wonder if we end up there. I saw a white thing floating through. I'm hoping it's not ash. If we're getting dumped in ashes, it might be a prudent idea to abort and head back. But it did look like it could have been a butterfly or something just coasting, not flapping. But yeah, let's see where it went to. So I can't definitively say. I'm just gonna have to keep my eyes open. And if I start seeing more of that, and none of it flaps, we should probably think about getting out of here. What does this guy say? I think we might be heading that way though. Oh. Yeah, but no, this is good. This is just a 100-meter detour, and it's Ponderosa Pat, a 400-year-old pine. Let's check out Ponderosa Pat. Oh, I think I see him. Wow. I really don't think it's every day you see a 400-year-old Ponderosa, but huh. Look at that guy. Well, there you go. Ponderosa Pat. What do you think? Yep. I've seen quite a few of this size before, but not so close into town. But I mean, they were probably everywhere at one point. Oh, wasn't that a fun diversion? Yeah, I don't know how well the camera picks it up, but the light in here is quite eerie and almost red. I'm pretty sure there's probably some white balance correction happening, but yeah, it is different. It feels almost apocalyptic-y. But yeah, look at this view. I mean, imagine it without smoke. Hard to believe that I feel like we came from over there, like that would be an alternate trail, and we were stuck to this side and we were looking at that as if it was almost level. This will be the Okanagan Mountain Range area. You hike down the back side of this guy in through that canyon, I think. God, this is such a neat place. I'm not gonna cheat. Barely cheated the whole run. Okay, well, we're way past our halfway point. We're way dropped in elevation, but we're at a spot where we can relax, and that's the bench. It's even got a handy little water bowl for the dog, if you happen to be into those kinds of things. Alright, let's do it to it. Just before I go, Grace's View, in memory of Grace Bridle, January 31st, 1927 to April 13th, 2013. Rest in peace and beauty. Thank you, Grace, for the wonderful view. I appreciate it. While we were resting up here, they noticed a black lump off on the side of the hill. That black lump happened to be a black bear. So, 2 bear sightings, 1 trail. I mean, does it get more dramatic than that? However, this bear, his general direction of travel was in the way we were going, and are going, and there's a chance we might cross paths again. So maybe I should keep making noise so he knows at least where I am. That's dumb. Isn't that pretty? Look at how the bark separated right there. And that giant piece. As it all came apart. So, the bear was just over here. I'm going to take it a little easy. I'm going to keep an eye on the ridge in case he decided to come up behind us. There's a scat. There is a good chance that he has a little cubby cove that he likes to hide at. Or just wait for us to pass. Because he's probably used to this on a day-to-day basis. But yeah. So pretty. So, it does seem like the bear is behind us now. We're just going to use a little extra caution. Be a bit louder. Not panic run, just kind of slow mosey. The trail follows down here. This is a shortcut. I'm just putting a little bit of distance. I'm hearing brush movement way down in there. Yeah, that's kind of where we're ending up. Third bear sighting. He was right beside us. Well, yeah, like 10 meters. He could have ran us down. Yeah. You see him?
No, he took up pretty far up, but not at full tilt. Like I imagine it was
Yeah.
Sorry.
Oh.
That was my adrenaline for the day.
Yeah. Yeah, my knees are still shaking. He was a beautiful boy too. He had some pretty good sheen.
Too close.
Yeah. I think that was the most bearful day I've ever had. I think that was the most bearful day I've ever had. We made it. Yep. 7 kilometers and a little bit. All right, well, catch you guys on the next one.